Hello Wisdomers, welcome to the section 4 of our C programming course. And in this class, we will have an introduction to this section which deals with the concepts of selection and loop structures. And these concepts are very important in this entire C programming course. Not only for this course, you take any programming language, every programming language will have these concepts. And all those programming languages will have the same structure. The same structure will be followed by almost all the programming languages, but these concepts will be there in every programming language. So I request you to focus more and try to get most from this section. So why this section is very important is 50% of your interview questions and almost every coding question in the interview process will come from this section. So that is the reason why this section is very important. And what this section is going to deal with? This section is going to deal with two very important aspects of a programming language. So what are those two very important aspects is, the first one is these concepts will provide intelligence to your program, intelligence to make decisions. For example, if you are having 10 choices and out of those 10 choices, you have to make one. You have to take a decision on one choice from those 10 available choices. So this is where the selection, the first half of this entire section, which is the selection structures, are going to come into action. So intelligently, decisions can be made by your programming language by using the concepts of selection structures. And the second very important aspect of any programming language, which is to avoid repetitive work. For example, if you are having a requirement to do a specific work for 100 times, will you write that particular piece of code 100 times? No. If a specific work has to be done multiple times, so those multiple number of times, so in order to avoid that repetitive work, C programming language or any programming language is provided with the concepts of loop structures. In order to avoid the repetitive work to be done by your program, we are having the programming language is provided with the concepts of loop structures. So this is just a surface level introduction to these concepts. We will understand these concepts in a very detailed way. We will go very slowly. This section we are going to go very slowly, and multiple number of programming practice examples will be there in this section. So I request you to focus more, and I request you to watch these videos multiple times until you get the clarity. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class.